There are many methods to manipulate strings in Python. Some of basic methods we will cover in this video. Let's try with the method upper. The upper method is used to convert a string character from lowercase to uppercase characters. Let's see. Here, an example, a variable a contains the string in lowercase. We just print before the lowercase. In this case, there is a string and a variable. To separate a string and variable, or we use a comma, or we can use concatenation. Then we use upper method to convert into uppercase character. We use variable name which contains a string dot upper method. So after upper, we call the variable b, which contains the converted strings. Let's run this and see the output. The string before converted into uppercase is this one, and after converted to uppercase is this one. So the upper method is used to convert from lowercase characters into uppercase characters. We also use lower method to convert from uppercase to lowercase. In this case, b is already converted into uppercase, which contains the uppercase characters. We can convert b into lowercase, then run this. It's converted to lowercase. So these are important to convert lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase. Another important string manipulation method is what title, to just convert our characters of each word to uppercase, which the first character, especially to write title in your string. So print title. It just convert the first character of each word into uppercase, S and A. So we use string dot title method. Capitalize is another method to capitalize the first character, or to convert the first character in the string to uppercase. In this case, the title is this one. Actually, this is converted. We can just use C, the above variable, C dot capitalize. It just print caps. It just convert the first character from a string to capital or uppercase. Another, the most important method to manipulate a string is a strip. A strip. A strip is a method to remove any white space from the beginning or the end of a string. For example, in this example, hello world, there in the beginning there is a white space. At the end there is a white space. To remove this white space from the beginning and the end of the string, we use a dot strip. Just remove the strip. To check this, we just simply run this. Yeah, both sides of the string white spaces are removed, so we use a strip method. There are two methods in this case to remove right strip, the right space and the left space, which means the beginning, from the beginning and the end of the string. So we can use a dot L strip. In this case, the white space from the beginning is removed, but not the end of the string. To remove the end of the string, we use a dot r strip. Look, the beginning is not removed, but the end of the string white space is removed. So strip is important to remove white spaces from the beginning and end of the string. The method replaces a segment of a string, for example, a substring with a new string in the string. So we input the part of the string we would like to change. The second argument is what we would like to exchange the segment with. For example, in this string, Michael Jackson is the best. To replace Michael with Janet, we use dot replace. The variable name which contains the string dot replace, and there are two arguments. The old strings we want to replace by the new one, followed by the new one, separated by comma inside, separate. So Michael Jackson will be replaced by Janet. Let's try this, the output of this. Print B, Janet Jackson is the best. So we replaced Michael Jackson by Janet. So replace method is another important features of string manipulation. The method we wanted to find substrings from a string is find method. So the argument is a substring we like to find, and the output is the first index of the sequence of that substring. Find method to find. In this case, you can look at these pictures in the rectangular parts of here. We want to find the substring from a string EL. So it returns the index of the first elements from a substring in the string. So we just use find the substring we want to find. So print name dot find. The substring is EL. So it returns the index of this E, the first element of the substring. So it found at index 5. It is found at index 5. So this is finding mechanism. It's just substringing, find the substring and returns the index of the first of the sequence of the substring. We can find the substring Jack find name dot find Jack. So J is found at index 8. So it returns 8. So this is another important method. When you find a string, any character or string from a string, if the string is not found in the string, or the substring is not found in the string, it returns -1. For example, from Michael Jackson, I wanted to find out the index of the first character of Asibah. So when I run this program, it returns -1 because this substring is not found in the string Michael Jackson. So it returns or it displays -1, which means this the index of the first characters of the substring is not found in the string Michael Jackson. One more important method or string manipulation is count. Count is used to find the occurrences of the character in the string. So for example, if I wanted to find out the number of occurrences of C in the name variable, which means from Michael Jackson, name dot count, then inside this method we just specify the character we want to count, C. How many times it occurs? 2 times. C is occurs 2 times in the string. So count method is important to count the character occurrences in the string. There are many more string manipulations in Python. You can read more about string manipulations. Those are important and basic string manipulations. Let's try to do some exercises in this to cover this tutorial and the previous video tutorials. What is the value of the variable a after the following code is executed? The value of the variable or the variable a is contain a string, but it is a number. So the result will be 1. But the type of this is, let's check the type. It is a string, not integer, because every character or number or any spaces which is surrounded by quotation is a string. Another b is also we can print to. B is also string. See what will be executed from this. A is concatenated with B. B is concatenated with A and assigned to the variable C. So the result will be not 3, but 1, 2. 1, 2. So just concatenating strings together or combines. Let's consider the variable d and use a slicing to print out the first 3 elements from this string. We just print d, the first 3 elements. We use a slicing mechanism, ABC, this mechanism. The last strings, characters from a string, the last 3 from -3 up to the end. AFG. This is what string slicing we have discussed so far. Stepwise or stride is another slicing mechanism to get every second character of the string. So from this, we just get every second element from a string. So that is what correct. Just start from the first character C. The second character for C is O. The second character for O is R. The second character for R is another R. And the second character for R is E. The second character for E is C. The second character for C is T. So it returns every second characters and combine together, and it returns correct. Print out backslash. It is simple, as we discussed above. We just use double backslash, and also want to convert from lowercase to uppercase. Print f.upper method. You are wrong. To lowercase, print f.lower method. You are wrong. To capitalize this, we just f.capitalize the string. Just convert the first character from a string to uppercase, and also to write as title. So So those are the methods. Not only this, there are many more methods to manipulate strings. Translate methods, find index, and many more methods. You can the find method to find the index of the substring of S, the first index of the substring of snow. To do this, print first, check how many characters in this index using len method. We have 201 characters in this string. Then we can find the first index of the substring snow from these strings. To do this, g dot find then the substring snow. That is what it found at index 96. Index 96. The other one, replace Mary with Bob. Mary here. Mary. Then print g dot replace method. Then the string we want to replace by the new string, the substring Bob. So instead of Mary, it changed, replaced by Bob. And we can also find the occurrences of E in this string, how many times E is occurred. So we just g dot count then the character E. So it's occurred 21 times. 21 times. So those are string manipulation in Python. Thanks for watching.